Yes, my friends, you are watching here again the exclusive new latest varieties from the Banarasi section. The Banarasi section of soft silk varieties, which is rich look, especially for the wedding season, and every woman likes and to wear these type of collections, which is very traditional for the Indian culture. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. For the Kesaria manufacturers is giving you at wholesale price the different multiple colors and designs. So which today I brought for you 1200 to 1400 range of collections with the color charts, where every single sarees you will have a beautiful lovely boxes, beautiful lovely designs with every single multiple designs and multiple code. Let's see the collections with samples. So you have a very beautiful weaving designs with latest new collections. Let's see the color charts over here. Subscribe the channel. So the lovely pattern, the green color, which is a very heavy butta, and this is the beautiful lovely pallu. This is Rajio silk. These kind of collections are very demanded. If we talk about the exclusive for the market is only expecting the designs of this green, bottle green and the tomato red color combination. This is a very lovely color of the weaving design Banarasi sarees. If I talk about the next saree, you can see very pretty, the dark purple color, which is lovely traditional base, the color charts, which very umbrella tassels with the soft silk fabric and the lovely rich pallu. This is the pattern. So all these varieties you can see when we touch and feel the fabric, which is soft silk. In this soft silk with saree with 630 meters with blouse, you can see over here. And if I talk about the next saree, which is very pretty, the light mehndi green color with parrot green shade, which is very pretty. These type of sarees also you have it. So this is also mehndi green with umbrella tassels. This is one of the pattern. So next saree, so the dark yellow, which is yellow is tradition based of the south taste color, which is very beautiful lovely yellow with heavy Banarasi concepts with butta weaving with the fancy tassels, umbrella tassels. This is Gajal silk. All these varieties are just samples I am showing you with 630 meters with the running blouse. I can say over here, this is soft silk. This is one of the pattern. Next saree, I can say peacock blue, lovely color combination. So very royal and rich look pallu I can see here. So this kind of collections with butta weaving, so which is very soft silk. This soft silk you have a Swag Apsara silk is the code. This also you can purchase. If I talk about the next color, which is very pretty, the Rani color with the peacock golden with matte golden with pallu, lovely pallu, rich look Banarasi concepts with the Rani pink with the fancy tassel, which is you got it in the name Ghazal silk is the code. Every saree you have a 6 colors, 7 colors, very pretty. These kind of sarees for wedding and engagements, for traditional baby shower, these all collections also demanded. Every woman they demands to have these kind of sarees, and we do have a low range, medium range, these kind of collections in all the patterns, all the different states varieties you can purchase from low range Banarasi to Kanjivaram, Paithani, Patola. So these exclusive varieties you can purchase. This Banarasi soft silk fabric with butta weaving sarees only at manufacturing price from Kesaria manufacturers. So please have these collections at your business with the multiple color charts at low range, even at the wholesale friendly budget varieties. So subscribe the channel. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Keep supporting. Don't forget to share your name and your city, from which city you're watching the video. Let me know in the comment box. If you're having any doubts to have a wholesale collections product selling for the reselling, to have a dealers, business wholesale women entrepreneurs, to tie up with Kesaria manufacturers. For more information, the numbers are scrolling on the screen, especially for the international customers, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Canada, US, Singapore. If you are into having a clothing business at your location, at your country, you can directly tie up, do online with safe and securely. You can get your products with minimum 1 lakh currency of Indian amount you can purchase with the mixed varieties. So Hope you enjoyed these varieties of Banarasi silk collections. Let's enjoy these kind of varieties at friendly budget from Kesaria manufacturers. Keep supporting. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.